Starting the show today with Nutrition Health Program Coordinator with St. Luke's Food is Medicine Everyday Program, Grace Webb. Grace, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much for having me.
Of course.
Absolutely. We've got a lot in today's show, so we're kicking things off in the kitchen, but we're talking about your guys' upcoming workshop at Wonderscope for Food as Medicine Everyday Program. Talk to us about that.
Yeah, so the Food as Medicine Everyday Program is an evidence-based nutrition education program focused around making lasting lifestyle changes and learning how to cook more, because we know that nutrition starts in the kitchen.
Yes, it
Absolutely,
does. And
yeah.
sometimes cooking in the kitchen is a little tough.
Yeah,
so this is a
especially if you
great.
don't know what you're doing.
So
yeah.
now I'm someone that doesn't. So this is why this is an amazing program. Now, what can parents and kiddos expect at your guys' upcoming workshop at Wonderscope?
Yeah, so this upcoming Friday, August 1st, is the start of quarterly sessions that we will be hosting at Wonderscope, where kids and parents get to participate and watch and taste a healthy cooking demonstration, ask some questions, and get a handout to take home and learn more as they are in their own kitchens
Especially
at home.
love the taste portion of that one for
of
sure.
course.
It's like the best part.
The best part.
You said parents and kiddos, so is that the kind of the age range that this is geared towards?
Yeah, absolutely. So all ages can join. We really want the parents and kids involved together, because we know that parents, are making the decisions, but the kiddos get to eat the food, so they get to have their say. Right.
A little bit.
Yes, so anyone of any age that is at Wonderscope at either the 10 o'clock session or the 11:15 a.m. session, they're welcome to join.
Amazing. Now walk us through some of what you've brought today, because I guess this is, kind of an idea of what we can expect.
Absolutely, yes. So we know back to school is coming up, and packing lunches can always be a chore. So starting now and really talking to the kiddos about what they're going to want, kind of introduce the lunchbox style so they can get used to those things now. By the time they get to school, they're excited for those things.
Yes.
So one part of building a healthy lunchbox is fruits, veggies, dips, things like that.
Okay.
So here we have a Greek yogurt ranch dip, higher in protein than a traditional ranch dressing.
Yeah.
There's about 3 times the protein in this than ranch.
Perfect.
So all you need is 1.5 to 2 cups of whole milk Greek yogurt, plain, and then a packet of ranch seasoning mix. You can make your own ranch seasoning mix if you want, but
this makes it a little bit easier. If you don't have the time.
And kiddos can be involved in this. So kids can do the stirring, they can do the mixing.
Speaking of, can we give it to Shane to work on?
Oh my gosh, yes, absolutely,
for
please.
kiddos,
My stirring skills, there we go, yes, absolutely.
Now, while he's stirring this up, walk us through some of the other things that you've brought.
Yeah, so in our lunchbox here, we have a sun butter and jelly sandwich. So I highlighted ingredient for Friday is sun butter. Sun butter is made from sunflower seeds, so it is allergen free and safe for most schools. So I like to make sandwiches with sun butter because it can be brought to school. And then we have some cucumbers, carrots, and tomatoes to be paired. Yes, to be paired with the ranch dip. And then another part of the lunchbox is
so good.
birthday cake energy bites, which is what I will be demonstrating on Friday. So a little teaser for what parents can see on Friday. So few ingredients in the birthday cake energy bites are the sun butter. So again, allergen free. We have oats. So oats are a really great thing to incorporate. They're high in fiber and can help with fullness. And then we also have hemp hearts, which are a bit of a unique ingredient, but they are also a good source of protein and zinc and potassium, and a really good thing to get into the kids' diets.
Oh, for sure. I also love like the tackle box version of like the lunchbox here too, because you can like have all the portion sizes and everything in there already.
Yes, and I love the idea that, you have your protein, you have your fat, you have your carbohydrate, but then you also have your color. So adding the color, we have an apple, carrots, tomato, cucumber, all the things that just add color and flavor to a meal is a great
very
thing.
Vibrant.
Yes.
So cool. Remind us once again when the first workshop is at Wonderscope.
Yes. So the first Wonderscope workshop is this Friday, August 1st. There is a session at 10 o'clock a.m. and a session at 11:15 a.m.
Amazing. And we've got all the information on the screen right now for you guys. So make sure you check that out because it's going to be so much fun. And then if people just want more information about St. Luke's and all that you guys are doing, what's the best way to get that as well?
So we have our St. Luke's Food is Medicine Everyday program website on the St. Luke's homepage. So you can take a look there. We have upcoming classes in 2026. So we'd love to have more people join.
Absolutely.
So cool.
Well, thank you so much for being here and letting us snack on some of these.
Go ahead and double
yeah.
dip. That's not
double
yes,
dip.
supposed
please.
to, but you do it.